Hey everyone, and welcome to ChineseSkill Unit 27. In this unit, we're going to learn the basics of navigation, including some new position words and grammar structures used for indicating and giving directions. So let's get started. Let's imagine we're at a shopping mall in Shanghai, and inside this mall, we can find all sorts of different places, including restaurants, 餐厅, movie theaters, 电影院, restrooms, 卫生间, clothing stores, 服装店, and even a supermarket, 超市. Most shopping malls in China are very big, having multiple floors and sometimes hundreds of storefront spaces. To express floor in Chinese, we say 楼, and to count the floors in a building, we simply say a number plus 楼. For example, 一楼 is the first floor. For the second floor, we use 二 instead of 两 and say 二楼. Third floor is 三楼, and so on. Additionally, we can also use words like 上 for up and 下 for down with 楼 to form new positional words. 楼上 means the upper floor or upstairs, and 楼下 means the lower floor or downstairs. All of these being nouns, they can be used as position words in the following structure. A plus 在 plus 楼上, 楼下, or a number plus 楼. For example, 卫生间在一楼. The bathroom is on the first floor. 超市在楼下. The supermarket is on the lower level, or downstairs. So how would you say the movie theater is upstairs? 电影院在楼上. 电影院在楼上. The movie theater is on the upper level or upstairs. And how would you say I'm on the 5th floor? 我在五楼. 我在五楼. I'm on the 5th floor. Good job. Taking this one step further, to express a noun is upstairs or downstairs from another place, we can use this structure. A 在 B 楼上 or 楼下. For example, 超市在银行楼下. The supermarket is below or downstairs from the bank. So how would you say the office is above or upstairs from the bank? 办公室在银行楼上. 办公室在银行楼上. The office is upstairs from the bank. Now that we know these basic structures for indicating a noun's location, let's look at how to talk about direction. 往 is a preposition that means towards and can be used to express an action's direction with the following structure. 往 plus a location or direction plus a verb. For example, 往这边走. Go this way or walk this way. Using 前边 for front, how could you say go forward or walk forward? 往前边走. 往前边走. Go forward or walk forward. Good job. Typically, when you're giving directions to someone to get to a certain place, there may be more than one step involved. In Chinese, to describe the sequence of doing things, we can use this basic structure. 先 A 再 B. 先 means first, and 再 means then. So literally, This means to do A first and then to do B. For example, 先往前边走，再右拐。First, go forward, then turn right. 右拐 means turn right, opposite to 左拐 for turn left. So how would you say, first, go this way, then turn left? 先往这边走，再左拐。先往这边走，再左拐。First, go this way, then turn left. Good job. The last thing that I want to mention here is that in Chinese, when expressing position or location, a positional word plus bian and a positional word plus mian are mostly interchangeable. For example, front, you can say 前面 or 前边. For back, you can say 后面 or 后边. This is the same for up, 上面, 上边, and down, 下面, 下边, as well as inside, 里面, 里边, and outside, 外面, 外边. However, the following words tend to only use 边. 这边 for this way, 那边 for that way, 右边 right, 左边 left, and 旁边 for beside. So how would you say the bank is to the left of the supermarket? 银行在超市左边。银行在超市左边。The bank is to the left of the supermarket. And how would you say the restroom is inside the mall? 卫生间在商场里边。卫生间在商场里边。The restroom is inside the mall. Good job. Bye bye.